Oh, dito na kami dalawa ni Bien. Sana kayo.
Siya po ay naordina na pare noong March 17, 2001 and he's now serving the Palawan Indigenous
Power of the United States. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, through the impositions and power.
Our sister Mahira Walyoso, for born again Christian, hired last June 1983 as Teso Sister Laila Torres.
Siratan mustaqim, siratan ladina an'amta alaihim.
Bernadette Bernardino, 1974. Nesitas Tita Barrete, 1975. Beth Gomez, 1976.
Grabe. Wala, hindi pa kami pinapanganak.
1978, ang taon na pinanganak ako. Grabe po. Mabuhay po kayo. Palakpakan natin sila.
Grabe, lalakas na po, hindi kayo na ano ng COVID.
Oo, malalakas pa talaga sila. Dami. Sila yung mga pioneer ng Intel. 50th anniversary. Mga 1974, 1975. Dami nila. Grabe.
Hindi po natin sila pwede pag-iwa-iwalayan per year. Mauubusan po tayo. Thank you
Thank
all
you, donors.
for your
Yeah,
generosity.
sila yung mga nag-donor to make this event happen. Grabe, ang dami nila.
Picture, picture.
Dami.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I'm doing shit my way. On the driveway, there's no swings, 'cause I grind through the clouds.
Masyado siyang masaya sa mga nangyayari ngayon.
Now I ain't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything. Your mind's
Oy, fun.
better see
Maraming pong salamat.
but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never